Hello students, welcome to Time online classes. Today we are going to discuss number and letter series basics. Let us first understand what is the pattern of series. A sequence of numbers or letters will be given which follows a specific pattern. A sequence of numbers or letters will be given which follows a specific pattern. What we have to do it is we have to identify the logic. We have to identify the logic. After identifying the logic, we have to apply it to get next or missing number or letter in the series. It's quite simple. Okay, a sequence of numbers will be given which follows a specific pattern. So we have to understand the pattern. After understanding the pattern, we have to apply it to get the next number or missing number in the series. Okay. Now, before going further, be ready with your notes and pen. Okay. And here you have to do three things parallelly. You have to watch, you have to grasp the logic, and you have to write while I am explaining. Okay, dear students. Letter series basics. Okay. Now, please take a note of English alphabet set. Total of 26 letters. A's place value is 1, B's place value is 2. What do you mean by place value? Means the position of the letter in the English alphabet set. A's place value 1, B's place value is 2, C's place value 3 and so on. X place value 24, Y's place value 25, Z's place value 26. So please write it in the same way. A to M and below M is the N and N to Z. Write it in the same way. A to M, N to Z. Please try to remember the place values of the English alphabet set. You will understand how much important place values is when we are going through the questions. Means if you remember the place values, the questions can be completed in very less time. Okay, because we are very familiar with the numbers than the letters. So try to recognize the numbers. With the numbers, we can identify the logic quickly. Okay. Now, completed, right? Noting? No. Given English alphabet set divided into two ways. Vowels and consonants. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. And what are consonants? Except vowels, the rest are all consonants. Right, that we know. Now, come to the next important point. Opposite pairs. What do you mean by opposite pairs? Sum of the place values of the letters equal to 27. Sum of the place values of the letters equal to 27. That means place value of A is 1 and place value of Z is 26. So 1 plus 26, 27. Place value of B is 2 and place value of Y is 25. So 2 plus 25, 27. Similarly, CX, DY, EV, FU, GT, HS, IR, JQ, KP, LO, M place value is 13, N place value is 14. So 13 plus 14, 27. So sum of the place values of the letters will equal to 27 and these pairs will be considered as opposite pairs. Okay, so that's why I told to write A to M and below M is N and N to Z, so that we can recognize that and we can give a one pattern. Okay, and in other way also we can remember the opposite pairs. This is one of the way. Okay, AZ, A to Z, BY, boy, CX, crux, bike, DW, draw, EV, ETV, FU, future, GT, great, HS, high school, IR, Indian Railways, JQ, sequence of playing cards, KP, Kukatpalli, LO, love, MN, moon. This is one of the way to remember the opposite pairs of letters. Okay. Now, similarly we have corresponding pairs of letters. What do you mean by corresponding pairs? Difference between the place values of the letters will be equal to how much? 13. Difference between the place values of the letters equal to 13. That means place value of A is 1 and place value of N is 14. So how much is the difference here? 13. So AN will be considered corresponding pair. B's place value is 2 and O's place value is 15. So what is the difference between 2 and 15? 13. So BO will be considered as a corresponding pair. So like CP, DR and so on. but there is a one particular pair which we need to identify, or we need to remember: GT. GT is the only pair which is opposite as well as corresponding pair, because G place value is 7, T place value 20, sum 27, so opposite pair. Now difference 7 and 20, 13, so it is corresponding pair also. So GT is the only pair which is corresponding as well as opposite pair. So please take a note of that. Opposite pairs, sum of the place values of the letters equal to 27. Corresponding pairs, difference between the place values of the letters equal to 13. Okay. So please try to remember the place values of the letters and opposite pairs, corresponding pairs. Okay. Let's move further. Directly get into the questions. See the question number 1. A, E, I, O. What are these? A, E, I, O. Vowels. What is next to O? U. So consecutive vowels. What the logic is? Consecutive vowels in increasing order. A, E, I, O. Next will be U. After O, U. Now let's see the next question. Question number 2. Q, P, N, M, L, K, J, H, G, F. Here when I am reading the letters itself, you need to understand the one point. The letters are given in the decreasing order, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, so on. This is the increasing order. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, L, M, N. All this in the what? Decreasing order, right? Now look at here. In the decreasing order, the letters are given, but there are some letters are missing. So just check it that which letters are missing. Q, okay. Before Q, P, it is fine. Before P, O is missing. Okay. Next, N is taken. Before N, M. Before M, L. Before L, K. Before K, J. But before J, I, which is missing. Okay. Before J, H. Okay, fine. Before H, G in the English alphabet. Before G, F. It is fine. But what are the missing letters? O, I. What are these? Vowels. So what is the given series is? Vowels are missing. Vowels are missing is nothing but what? Consecutive consonants in decreasing order. So before F, in general, what we will be having? E. But E is a vowel, so we cannot take, because the missing ones are what? Vowels. Nothing but consecutive consonants in the decreasing order. So before E, F, what is the consonant? D. So what is our required answer is D. And what is the logic is? Consecutive consonants in decreasing order. Answer is D. And the logic is consecutive consonants in decreasing order. You are clear, right? First one is consecutive vowels in increasing order, and the second one is consecutive consonants in decreasing order. Now let's see question number 3. Now C, F, I, L, O, R. What will come in the place of blank? Try it. Definitely it is not vowels and consonants logic, because it is a combination of vowels as well as consonants. So here try to apply the place values logic. By writing the place values, you can recognize the logic quickly. Okay, let's write the place values. Place value of C 3, F 6, I 9, L 12. If you want to check it, what are the given letters? C, F, I, L, O, R. And what are the place values? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. C is 3, F is 6, I is 9, L is 12, O is 15, R is 18. So we have written the place values. Now when you look at these numbers, can you recognize any logic? 3 and 6. How much it is increased by? 3. 6 and 9? 3. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It is quite simple, right? When you write the place values of the letters. Okay. Now 18 plus 3, 21. So which letter place value is 21? U. So U's place value is 21. So what is our required answer? U. 21. So U's place value is 21 and the required answer is U. You are clear? No. Answer is U, and the logic is plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Please take a note. Logic along with the place value. C's place value 3, F's place value 6, I's place value 9, L's place value 12, O's place value 15, R's place value 18, and the logic is plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 18 plus 3 21, and U's place value is 21. Let's see question number 4. E, F, H, K, O, T. Now again try to write the place values. Tell me what are the place values of the given letters. E's place value 5, F's place value 6, H's place value 8, K's place value 11, O's place value 15, T's place value 20. Now if you write, what we get? See that. What are the given letters? E, F, H, K, O, T, and those place values are 5, 6, 8, 11, 15, 20. Now try to identify the logic. 5 and 6 plus 1, 6 and 8 plus 2, 8 and 11 plus 3, 11 and 15 plus 4, 15 and 20 plus 5. So plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Quite simple, right? Now we are doing like directly number series, not the letter series. So when you write the place values, that is advantage. 20 plus 5, 25. So which letter place value is 25? Y. So your answer is Y. And the logic is plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Consecutive natural numbers. So till here it is plus 5 given, right? I'm sorry. Next will be plus 6. I'm sorry. 26, and the 26 letter is Z. Okay, please take a note of logic. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and plus 6. And the 26 letter is Z. Answer is Z. So this is the advantage that we have. If you remember the place values of the letters, you can complete questions in less time. Okay, so far we have seen the questions or the series with the single letter. Now let's see with the two letters. If the two letters are given also, our procedure will remain same. So we will be identifying the logic in the first letter separately, and we will be identifying the logic in the second set of letters separately. Okay, here each group consists of two letters. So identify the logic in the first letter separately and identify the logic in the second letters separately. Okay, now for the first set of letters, what are the first set of letters? B, C, E, H, L, Q. B, C, E, H, L, Q. B, C, E, H, L, Q. First set of letters. Okay, so we have taken the first set of letters. Now we'll identify the logic in first set of letters. So write the place values. B's place value 2, C's place value 3, E's place value 5, H place value 8, L's place value 12, Q's place value 17. Now identify the logic. 2 and 3 plus 1, 3 and 5 plus 2, 5 and 8 plus 3, 8 and 12 plus 4, 12 and 17 plus 5. So plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So consecutive natural numbers. So next will be plus 6. So what is 17 plus 6? 23. So which letter place value is 23? W. So what is the next letter will be? W. So first letter will be W. Now try to identify the logic in the second set of letters. What was the second set of letters? V, U, S, P, L, G. V, U, S, P, L, G. Second set of letters. Now write the place values for the second set of letters. 22, 21, 19, 16, 12, 17. Now identify the logic. 22 and 21 decreased by 1, 21 and 19 decreased by 2, 19, 16 decreased by 3, 16, 12 decreased by 4, 12 and 7 decreased by 5. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. What will be next? Minus 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Which letter place value is 1? A. So our required answer is A. A is the required answer. Okay, so answer is W, A. So please take a note of logic. Our answer is W, A. W, A. Next set of letters in the group. And the logic is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 for the first set of letters. And for second set of letters, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So here the group consists of two letters. If it is given with the 3 letters or the 4 letters, 5 or whatever it may be, procedure will remain same. Okay, logic in the first letters, logic in the second letters, and logic in the third letters. Write the place values and check the difference or little bit product logic. That is enough. Okay. Now let's see question number 6. Completed noting? Okay, great. Now, A, Z, E, V, I, R, O, L. Again, identify the logic in the first set of letters. A, E, I, O. Can you recognize what are these? A, E, I, O. Yes, what are these? Vowels. Next to O, A, E, I, O, U. U is the vowel. Now, if you observe the second set of letters, A opposite letter is Z that we discussed earlier. Sum of the place values of the letters will be equal to 27. A's place value is 1, Z place value is 26. So 1 plus 26, 27. So opposite pair. E's place value is 5 and V's place value is 22. So 5 plus 22, 27. So EV is the opposite pair. IR, Indian Railways, that we discussed. I is the 9, R is the 18. So 9 plus 8, 27. Opposite pair. OL, we discussed love, LO. O, 15. L, 12. So 15 plus 12, 27. So first letters are consecutive vowels and the second one is the opposite letter of the first one. So here we have the first letter as what? U. So U's place value is 21. To get the 27 sum, which number should be added? 6. So which letter place value is 6? F. So what is our required answer? U, F. So first letters are consecutive vowels and the second letter is the opposite letter of the first letter. What do you mean by opposite letter? Sum of the place values of the letter will be equal to 27. You are clear, right? Okay. So just make a note of logic. The first letter of each group form a series of consecutive vowels. That is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O. Whereas Z, V, R, L are the respective opposite pairs. A opposite pair is Z, E opposite letter V, I opposite R, O opposite L. So what will come here? A, E, I, O, U, and U opposite is F. So our required answer is U, F. Answer U, F. First set of letters are vowels and the second letters are the opposite letters of the opposite pair of the first letters. Okay. Shall I move to next question? Okay. Let's move to question number 7. Here each group consists of how many letters? 3 letters. But the procedure will remain same. There will not be any change in the procedure. But here it will take some extra time. That's it to answer the question. Okay. Again, what are the first set of letters in each group? E, F, D, E, F, G, F, U, T, S. Again, F, G, H, I. Now, what are the first set of letters? D, E, F, G, D, E, F, G. So consecutive letters. So next to G, H. So next to G, H. Now identify the logic in the second set of letters. Second letters are what? V, U, T, S. V, U, T, S in the decreasing order. So before S, R. So H, R. Now third set of letters. What are the third set of letters? F, G, H, I. F, G, H, I. Consecutive letters. So next to I will be J. So H, R, J. Third letters are F, G, H, I in the increasing order. Consecutive letters. So next to I will be J. So what is the group that we required? H, R, J. So answer is H, R, J. Consecutive letters in the increasing order for the first set of letters. For second set of letters, consecutive letters in the decreasing order starting from V, and for third set of letters, consecutive letters in the increasing order starting from F, and the required group is H or J. Okay. Now let's move to question number 8. Here also each group consists of how many letters? 3 letters. What is the first group of letters? P, Q, R, S, T. Second group of letters? P, J, H, F, D. Sorry, L, J, H, F, D. And third group of letters? D, G, J, M, P. Third group of letters, right? Now, we'll try to identify the logic in the first set of letters first. Okay, what are the first set of letters? P, Q, R, S, T. Now write the place values of the letters. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, right? 16 plus 1, 17 plus 1, 18 plus 1, 19 plus 1. So 20 plus 1 is 21. Which letter's place value is 21? U. So I'm sorry, it is 21 and it should be U. I'm extremely sorry. It is U. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and next place letter is U. 21. Now, let's see the second set of letters. L, J, H, F, D. L's place value is 12, F's place value 10, H place value 8. We know already that, right? 12, 10, 8, 6, 4. Make a correction here. It is U and it is 21. Now, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4. So it is how much? Decreased by 2. 10, 8 decreased by 2. 8, 6 decreased by 2. 6, 4 decreased by 2. So next will be 4 minus 2. What is the 4 minus 2 will be B. So B. So first letter is U and the second letter is B in the group U, B. Now identify the logic in the third set of letters. What are the third set of letters? D, G, J, M, P. Now, what are the place values of those letters? 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. D's place value 4, G's place value 7, J's place value 10, M's place value 13, P's place value 16. So, it is plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 3. So, plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So, 16 plus 3 is 19. Which letter place value is 19? S. S. So what is our required answer? UBS. So please take on logic. First letters are increased by 1 and second letters are logic in the second letters are what? Decreased by 2 and logic in the third set of letters increased by 3 and the required answer is what? UBS. UBS. Plus 1 minus 2 plus 3. This is the logic. So if you remember the place values, this is the advantage. We can complete questions in less time. Okay, let's move to the question number 9. And the answer is UBS. Sorry. Now, here is each group consists of how many letters? 4 letters. Okay, so first identify the logic in the first set of letters A, C, G, I and go ahead with the place values. 1, 3, 7, 9. 1 and 3 increased by 2. 3 and 7 increased by 4. 7 and 9 increased by 2. So plus 2, plus 4, plus 2. So what will be next? Plus 4 again. So 9 plus 4, 13. 9 plus 4, 13. Which letter place value is 13? M. So first set of letters will be what? M. So we got that. Now go to the second set of letters. What are the second set of letters? B, D, H, J. B, D, H, J. And what are the place values of those letters? 2, 4, 8, 10. B's place value is 2, D's place value 4, H's place value 8, J's place value 10. And what is the logic given here? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Again plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. So again will be what? Plus 4. Alternately plus 2, alternately plus 4. So 10 plus 4, 14. And which letter place value is 14? N. So far what is our required answer? Mn. So logic identified in the second set of letters also. Now fine. Go ahead with the third letters. What are the third set of letters? Z, X, T, R. Now letters are in the decreasing order. Z, X, T, R. Z's place value 26. X 24. T 20. R 18. And what is the logic here? 26 and 24 minus 2. 24 20 minus 4. 20 18 minus 2. So minus 2 minus 4 minus 2. So what will be next? Alternately minus 4. Earlier is plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. Now here is minus 2 minus 4 minus 2. So minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4. 18 minus 4 again 14. Which letter place value is 14? N. So third set of letters, third letter in the group is N. Now go ahead with the fourth set of letters. What are four set of letters? Y, W, S, Q. What are the place values of those letters? Y is 25, W is 23, S is 19, Q is 17. 25, 23 minus 2, 23, 19 minus 4, 19, 17 minus 2. So minus 2 minus 4 minus 2. So what will be next? Minus 4. So 17 minus 4, 13. And which letter place value is 13? M. So what is our required answer? M, N, N, M. And the logic in the first letters? Plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. For second set of letters? plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. For third set of letters, minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4. And for the fourth set of letters, minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4. And our required answer is MN, NM. You are clear, right? So please take notes. Here is the question. A 16C, B 36D, D 100F, G 256I, K 576M. Okay. Now, whether it is a combination of the letters or numbers, our procedure and will remain same, and it is a standard procedure, identifying the logic in the first set of elements and identifying the logic in the second set of elements, identifying the logic in the third set of elements. Wherever you see the letters, please try to apply this logic. Okay, what are the first set of letters? A, B, D, G, K. A, B, D, G, K. Let us will try to identify the relation between the given number and the letters later. First, identify the logic in the letters. First set of letters are what? A, B, D, G, K. And what are the place values of these letters? A is 1, B is 2, D is 4, G is 7, K is 11. And the logic is given here is what? 1 to 2 plus 1, 2 to 4 plus 2, 4 to 7 plus 3, 7 to 11 plus 4. So plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So consecutive natural numbers increasing. So next to plus 4, after 4, 5. So 11 plus 5, 16. Which letter place value is 16? P. So we got the logic P. Now go ahead with the third set of letters. C, D, F, I, M. C, D, F, I, M. What are the place values of those letters? 3, 4, 6, 9, 13. C's place value is 3, D's place value 4, F's place value 6, I's place value 9, M's place value 13. And what is the logic is? 3 to 4 plus 1, 4, 6 plus 2, 6, 9 plus 3, 9, 13 plus 4. Plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So again consecutive natural numbers. So next to 4 will be 5. So 13 plus 5, 18. Which letter place value is 18? R. So R's place value is 18. So 18 R. So fine. So we identify the first letter, we identified the third letters. Now identify the given number and identify that how that number is obtained from the given letters. That is important for us. Okay. Now let's see A16C. Now what is the A's place value? 1. And what is the C's place value? 3. What is the sum of these two? 4. 1 plus 3, 4. And the 4 square? 16. Here is the logic. Now B36D. B's place value 2. D's place value 4. 2 plus 4, 6. And the 6 square is 36. Here is the 36. So what is the logic is? Sum of the place values of the letters and whole square. Okay. Please take a note of that. A16C. That is nothing but A is place value 1. C is place value 3. So 1 plus 3, 4 and the 4 square is 16. Similarly, B36D. B is place value 2. D is place value 4. So 2 plus 4, 6 and the 6 square is 36. Now what is required for us now? P's place value 16 and R's place value 18. So sum of 16 plus 18 is how much? 34. And we required 34 square. What is 34 square? 1156. Okay. P's place value is 16. R's place value is 18. Sum of these two is 34. And the logic is square. So 34 square is 1156. So what is our required answer? P1156R. P1156R. Please take a note of logic. Please take a note of logic. I hope you are clear with the basics. Let's practice some more questions. Question number 11. Here each group consists of 3 letters: B, E, P, C, I, Q, D, O, or F, U, S, G, A, T. Any number of questions that we are going to solve in letter series, our procedure will remain same. Identifying the logic in the first letters and identifying the logic in the second set of letters and identifying the logic in the third set of letters. Okay, let's go ahead with the first set of letters: B, C, D, F, G. B, C, D, F, G. B, C, D consecutive letters are taken, but between D and F
E is missing, F and G consecutive letters are taken. But between the letters, which is missing? E is missing. But we know that consonants and vowels concept. A, E, I, O, U comes under the vowels. So which is missing? Vowel is missing. When vowel is missing, the given series can be called it as what? Consecutive consonants starting from B. So B, C, D, vowel is missing E, F, G, consecutive consonants. So after G consonant will be H. After G consonant is H. What is the logic here? Consecutive consonants starting with B. Now, let us identify the logic in the second set of letters E, I, O, U, A. When we are pronouncing the letters itself, you can understand that the given set of letters are vowels E, I, O, U, A. After E, I, after I, O, after O, U, and you know that English alphabet is in nature cyclical pattern. So after U again will be A. So after A again will be E. So consecutive vowels starting from E. So our answer, in our answer group, first letter must be H and second letter must be E. It is fine. Okay. Now consecutive vowels starting with E. Now let us go ahead with the logic for third set of letters. Third set of letters P, Q, R, S, T. P, Q, R, S, T. These are consecutive letters in the English alphabet. Can we say that? Yes. And also you can say one more point, consecutive consonants also. P, Q, R, S, T, consecutive consonants. P, Q, R, S, T, consecutive letters in the English alphabet. Both are correct, right? Now, if I go ahead with the logic, P, Q, R, S, T, consecutive letters, after T will be U. After T, U will be my answer. But if I consider P, Q, R, S, T as consecutive consonants, after T, I cannot consider the U because U is a vowel. So my answer should be V. So what could be my answer? It can be H, E, U. H, E, U or H, E, V. Here we do not have the choices. But in the exam, we will be having a choices. So there we need to cross check that which option is available. Whether HEU is available or HEV is available. Only one of them they are going to give it in a choices. Both are correct. HEU is correct as well as HEV is correct. So we need to choose from the choices which option is provided. Okay, dear students. Okay, now see here. Answer may be U or maybe V. So for the logic V, consecutive consonants starting with P. For the letter U, for the U, what is the logic is? Consecutive letters starting with P. Right. So our answer will be HEU or HEV. So you need to focus on choices also when you are solving the questions. You are clear, right? Have you understood how we got U and V? U, if you consider this is the given series is consecutive letters. V, if you consider the given series consecutive consonants. Both are correct. Okay. So HEU or HEV. Okay. Please note down the logic. Logic in the first letters, consecutive consonants starting with B. Logic in the second letter, consecutive vowels starting with E. Logic in the third letters, we have the two logics, consecutive consonants or consecutive letters starting with P. If it is the consecutive consonants, my answer will be V. If it is a consecutive letters, my answer will be U. So any one of them, HEV or HEU. Okay. Now let's move to question number 12. Question number 12. GKF IPC LTY PWT UYN. Here also each group consists of how many letters? 3 letters. Now let us try to identify the logic in the first letters. GILPU. Let's represent GILPU. What is the place value of G? 7. Place value of I? 9. L? 12. P? 16. U? 21. 7, 9, 12, 16, 21. G's place value is 7. I's place value 9. L's place value 12. P's place value 16. U's place value 21. Now identify the logic. As we already discussed that we are much familiar with the numbers than the letters. So try to identify the logic between the given numbers. 7 and 9. What is the logic? Increased by 2. 9 and 12 increased by 3. 12 and 16 increased by 4. 16 and 21 increased by 5. So plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. So what will be next? Plus 6. 21 plus 6. 21 plus 6 will be how much? 27. And which letter is 27? Which letter place value is 27? We know English alphabet set contains 26 letters. Again after 26, what is the letter will be? A. So 27th letter will be considered as what? A. So next will be 27 or the 1 and the required letter is A. So we got our first letter. Now, are you clear, right? Now, if you are trying to find the 28th letter, it is nothing but B. 29th letter C. 30th letter D, and so on. It continues. Okay. Now, let's go to the second set of letters. What are the second set of letters? K, P, T, W, Y. Let's represent that. K, P, T, W, Y. Place value of K is 11. Place value of P 16. Place value of T 20. Place value of W 23. Place value of Y 25. Please, dear students, try to remember the place values of the letters. Okay. 11, 16, 20, 23, 25. Now identify the logic. 11 and 16 plus 5. 16 and 20 plus 4. 20 and 23 plus 3. 23 and 25 plus 2. Now observe the pattern. Plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. It is coming in the decreasing order. So next will be plus 1. So 25 plus 1, 26. Which letter place value is 26? Z. So my second letter will be Z. So far what is our answer? A, Z. Now we need to find out the third letter. What are the third letters in each group? F, C, Y, T, N. Let's represent that. F, C, Y, T, N. Place value of F 6. Place value of C 3. Place value of Y 25. Place value of T 20. Place value of N 14. Let's represent place values. F, it may be a 6 or it may be 32 also. We can treat it as, right? Now, how can be F is 32? Let's discuss that first. Let us take 32 and one set of English alphabets totally equal to how much? 26. Divide that. 21 6 the 26, and what is the quotient that we got? 6. What is the sixth letter? F, which is also equal to 32nd letter. Okay, in this way we can find it. If any value is given, we can find out the place value of that letter. For example, 108 is given. For example, I am saying 108 is given. Now 108, complete set of alphabets, 26 letters. 26 letters. 26 maximum it goes for how many times? 4 times. 26 4 is the 104. And what is the remainder? 4. Fourth letter is equal to D. So 108th letter is also equal to D. In this way we can find the any number is given, we can find out the place value. Okay. Now identify the logic. 32 29 minus 3, 29 25 minus 4, 25 20 minus 5, 20 14 minus 6. So what will be the next logic? Minus 7, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Which letter place value is 7? G. So what is our required answer? A, Z, G. A, G, A, Z, G is our required answer. Okay. You are clear, right? Logic in the first letters, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Logic in the second letters, plus 5, plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. Logic in the third letters, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Okay, please note down. You please keep on noting, don't wait for me to tell. Completed noting? Okay. Let's move to question number 13. Here each group consists of how many letters? 4 letters. T, C, F, K, R, A, D, I, O, X, A, F, J, S, V, A. Each group consists of 4 letters. Any number of letters, our procedure will remain same. There is no change in the procedure. Identifying the logic in the first letters, second letters, third letters and fourth letters. Find out the answer. That's it. Now, go ahead with the first set of letters. T, R, O, J. T place value 20, R place value 18, O place value 15, J place value 10. Now let's represent that and identify the logic. 20 and 18 minus 2, 18 and 15 minus 3, 15 and 10 minus 5, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Which pattern it is? The numbers comes under the classification of prime numbers. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. What will be next? Minus 7. So 10 minus 7, 3. Which letter place value is 3? C. So our answer must start with C. Okay. Now let's go with the second set of letters in each group. C, A, X, S. Place value of C is 3. A is 1. C we can write it as 3 as well as we can write it as 29. A we can write it as a 1 as well as we can write it as a 27. X 24, S 19. Why I am talking like that means, if you observe the pattern, the letters are in the decreasing order. Okay, so that's why I am taking that pattern. Now, C is 29 or 3, A is 1 or 27, X is 24, S is 19. Now identify the logic. 29 27 minus 2, 27 24 minus 3, 24 19 minus 5. Again minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. This comes under the classification of prime numbers. So after 5 will be 7. Now 19 minus 7, 12. Which letter place value is 12? L. So our second letter will be L. Now you are clear, right? Now go ahead with the third set of letters. F, D, A, V. F, D, A, V. Place value of F 6, place value of D 4, place value of A 1, place value of V 22. Or F is 32, D is 30, A is 27, V is 22. 32 and 30 minus 2, 30 and 27 minus 3, 27, 22 minus 5. Again the same pattern, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Consecutive prime numbers. So after 5 prime number is 7. So minus 7. 22 minus 7. 22 minus 7 is 15. Which letter place value is 15? O. In our option, third letter must be O. CLO. You are clear, right? Now let's go ahead with the fourth letters. What are the fourth letters in each group? K, I, F, A. Now let's identify it. K, I, F, A. K's place value is 11, I's place value 9, F's place value 6, A's place value 1. Okay, now see here. K can be written as 37, 37, I can be written as 35, or 11 and 9 minus 2, 9 and 6 minus 3, 6 and 1 minus 5. Right. Now A is 1 or 27 and minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. What could be the next pattern? Minus 7. So 27 minus 7. 27 minus 7 is 20. Which letter place value is 20? T. So in our option, fourth letter must be T. C-L-O-T. So what is our answer? C-L-O-T. Okay, please note down the logic, and logic in the first letters is minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, as well as for the second letters also minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, and third letters also minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, and for fourth set of letters also minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7. Okay. Question number 14. F, T, J, M, P. Here each group consists of how many letters? 5 letters. F, T, J, M, P, G, R, M, I, U, E, U, I, N, O, blank, D, V, H, O, N, I, P, O, J, W. Any number of letters is given in each group, the procedure will remain same. Now identify the logic in the first set of letters F, G, E, D, I. Now F is 6, G is 7, E is 5, blank, D and I. D is 4, I is 9. Let's represent the place values. 6, 7, 5, 4, 9. 6 and 7, logic is -1 and here is what? +2. I'm sorry, it is +1. Just make a correction. 6 and 7 +1, 7 and 5 -2. Here we do not have any letter. Now 4 and 9 +5. 4 and 9 +5. So what could be the missing one? +1, -2. What could be next? +3. If it is a +3, next must be -4 and it should match with D. That we need to cross check. Okay, let's take +3. E. E's place value is 5. 5 plus 3 is H. 8. 8th letter is H. Now, if you take this as a H and it is 8, 8th letter place value is H. Next should be what is the logic? -4. 8 minus 4, 4. 4th letter place value is D. I mean D's place value is 4. So it is absolutely matching. So what is the logic is? +1, -2, +3, -4, +5. Okay. And what is the missing letter is H. So in our answer it must start with H. H8. Okay. Now let's identify the logic in the second set of letters. Okay. I will erase the ink and again I will write the logic, and it is what? +1, -2, +3, -4, +5. Now it's fine. Now T's place value is 20, R's place value 18, U's place value 21, blank, V's place value is 22, P's place value is 16. Now let's identify the logic. 20 and 18 -2, 18, 21 +3, 22, 16 -6. So what could be the missing two elements? I mean there is a one element missing, nothing but there are two differences are missing. -2 +3. What could be next? -4, then +5, then it is -6. Now it is appears like a proper logic, but we need to confirm it and we need to cross check that, right? Now 21 -4. If I go ahead with the 21 -4, 21 -4 is how much? 17. So this letter must be 17, and which letter place value is 17? Q. Now it should match with +5. So Q 17 + 5 22. It is matching, and V's place value is 22. Absolutely fine. Now what is the logic is? -2 +3 -4 +5 -6. No issue, right? Now identify the logic in the third set of letters. J, M, I, blank, H, O. J's place value is 10, M's place value 13, I's place value 9, H is 8, O is 15. Identify the logic. 10 + 3 and 13, 9 -4. Now 8 and 15 +7. Now observe the pattern. +3 -4. What could be the missing two numbers? +3 -4 +5 -6 +7. But we need to confirm and we need to cross check it, right? So 9 + 5 14. 9 + 5 14. Which letter place value is 14? N. N's place value is 14. Now if that is a N, what is the next logic? -6. 14 -6 8. It is matching with that, and H place value is 8. So no issue. So what is the logic? We can confirm. +3 -4 +5 -6 and +7. And what is the required element? N. So far what are the required elements? H, Q, N. So H, Q and N. Now let's identify the logic in the remaining two letters also. MIN blank O G. M's place value is 13, I's place value 9, N's place value 14, O's place value 15, G's place value is 7. Let's check it. 13 and 9. What is the logic? -4. minus 4, 9 and 14 plus 5 plus 5, 8 and 7 minus 1. Now observe the pattern. Sorry, O's place value is 15. Small correction here. O's place value is 15. Now minus 4 plus 5. What is the logic here? Minus 4 and plus 5. So what will be next? What could be next? Minus 4 plus 5, and it is not minus 1. 15 and 7 is how much? Minus 8. Now minus 4 plus 5. What are the missing two elements? Minus 6 plus 7. Minus 6 plus 7. So 14 minus 6, 8. Eighth letter is H. Now 8 plus 7, 15. It is matching, and O's place value is 15. So what is the missing letter will be? Definitely H. So fourth letter is H according to our logic. Minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8. Now identify the logic in the fifth letters. P, U, O blank N, W. P's place value 16, U is 21, O 15, N 14, W 23. Now identify the logic. 16 21 plus 5, 21 15 minus 6, 14 23 plus 9. Now what could be the missing two differences? Plus 5 minus 6. Now next will be plus 7, and then will be minus 8. Plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus 9. Perfectly matching, right? Proper pattern. Now 15 plus 7, 22. Which letter place value is 22? V's place value is 22. So V. So what is my answer? H Q N H V. H Q N H V is our required answer. You are clear, right? So any number of letters is given, procedure will remain same. Identifying the logic in the first letters, and identifying the logic in the second set of letters, third set of letters, and fourth set of letters, fifth set of letters, and so on. Okay, our procedure remains same. Writing the place values and identifying the logic between the numbers. Okay, please copy the logic. I will wait for some time. Logic in the first letters: plus 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5. Second letters: minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6. Third set of letters: minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7. Plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7. Fourth letters: minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8. Fifth letter: plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus 9. And the required answer is H Q N H V. Okay, completed noting. Now let's see question number 15. B by 8, D by 64, F by 216, J by 1000. By looking at the numbers 8, 64, 216, 1000, I can clearly say that these numbers are perfect cubes. 8 is which number cube? 2 cube. 64, 4 cube. 216, 6 cube. And 1000, 10 cube. That is clearly visible. Now place value of, okay, B 8. What is the given pair? B 8. What is the place value of B? 2. And the given logic is 2 cube. Place value of B is 2 and the given logic is 2 cube. And 2 cube value is equal to how much? 8. So perfectly matching. B's place value is 2 and 8 can be written as 2 cube. So 2, 2 cube. Now fine. Now next, D's place value 4. D's place value is 4 and 64 is 4 cube. Perfectly matching. D's place value is 4 and 64 is 4 cube. Now what is the next? F. F's place value is 6 and 6 cube is 216. Perfectly matching. Number and the cube of that number. Number and the cube of that number. It means denominator is cube of the place value of the given letter. Okay. Now missing one. fine, but observe the last one, J. J's place value is 10 and 10 cube is 1000. Place value is 10 and the place value whole cube, that is 10 cube. Now observe the pattern, 2 4, how much increased by 2? 4 6 increased by 2. Again one more is missing, one more is missing. So what could be the logic? 2 4 6 blank 10, consecutive even numbers. So missing must be 8. Eighth letter is H by 8 cube. 8 cube is how much? 512. So what should be my answer? H 512, because the H place value is 8 and the 8 cube is 512. You are clear, right? Denominator is cube of the place value of the numerator. Answer H by 512. B's place value 2 and the denominator is 8, which is 2 cube. D's place value 4 and the denominator is 64, which is 4 cube. Okay. J's place value is 10 and 10 cube is 1000. So 2 4 6 blank 10, nothing but consecutive even numbers. So missing even number is 8. So which letter place value is 8? H, and 8 cube is 512. So answer is H by 512. H by 512. Okay. You are able to understand, right? Good. Now let's move to question number 16. Now here each group consists of how many letters? First of all, you can observe that there are two numbers, one at the beginning, one at the end, and in between those two numbers there are 4 letters. Okay, everywhere it continued the same, number and the 4 letters and the number, number and the 4 letters and the number, number and the 4 letters and the number. But anything, our procedure will remain same. Now identify the logic in the first set of elements. What are the first set of elements? 13, 17, 21. 13, 17, 21. What is the logic is? 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 4, 21. So what will be next? 21 plus 4, 25. So my answer must start with 25. My answer must start with 25. Now next, identify the logic in the second set of elements, that is Y, W, U. Y's place value is 25, W is 23, U is 21. 25, 23, 21. And what is the logic is? Minus 2, minus 2. Again next will be minus 2. So 21 minus 2, 19. Which letter place value is 19? S place value is 19. So 25S. Now identify the logic in the third elements. What are the third elements? X, V, T. X, V, T. X place value is 24, V's place value 22, T's place value 20. Again what is the logic? Minus 2, minus 2. So what will be next? Minus 2. So 20 minus 2, 18. Which letter place value is 18? R. So 25 S R. R's place value is 18. Now identify the logic in the third elements also. Now fourth element. What are the fourth elements? B, D, F. B, D, F. Place values, B place value 2, D place value 4, F place value 6. And what is the logic is? Plus 2 and plus 2. Again will be plus 2. Plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Which other place value is 8? H place value is 8. So 25 S or H. H. Now 25 S or H. We need to find out the one more letter, that is fifth element. What is the fifth element? C, E, G. C, E, G. Now C place value 3, E, 5, G, 7. So 3, 5, 7. Again what is the logic is? 3 to 5 plus 2. 5 to 7 plus 2. Again what will be next? 2. 7 plus 2, 9. Which letter place value is 9? I's place value is 9. So 25 SRH I. I. Now last one. 56, 61, 66. What is the logic? 56 to 61 plus 5. 61 to 66 plus 5. So what will be next? Plus 5. So 66 plus 5 is how much? 71. So what will be my answer? 25 SRH T 71. Sorry, not the T I. 25 SRH I71. 25 SRH I71. Logic in the first numbers plus 4, and logic in the letters, first letters minus 2, and second elements minus 2, and logic in the third elements minus 2, logic in the fourth elements plus 2, logic in the fifth elements plus 2, logic in the last set of numbers plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. Okay, please copy the logic. (13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 4 21, so 21 plus 4 25, and YWU minus 2 minus 2, so U minus 2 S, X V T, 24 22 20 nothing but minus 2 minus 2, applying the same 20 minus 2 18, which is R. BDF 2 4 6, then next will be 8 plus 2, H. CEG 3 5 7, so plus 2 plus 2, so plus 2 9, I's place value 9. Now 56 61 66 plus 5 plus 5, so 66 plus 5 71, so 25 SRH I 71. You are clear, right? You are able to understand it, right? Good. Shall I move to next question? Okay. Last question for this session. FIKT JOLV HUMW JANX. You try it once. You will be given maximum 20 seconds to complete. All right. Anyone? Okay, let's identify the logic in the first letters. F, G, H, J. F, G, H, J. F, G, H are the consecutive letters, but H to J, which is missing? I is missing. I is missing, nothing but which is missing? Vowel is missing. Vowel is nothing but vowel is missing, nothing but the given series is consecutive consonants. F, G, H, J. F, G, H, J. So what will be the next one? Will be after J, letter consecutive consonant will be K. So my answer must start with K. F, G, H, J are the consecutive consonants. So after J consonant is K. Consecutive consonants. Logic in the first letter, consecutive consonants. Now identify the logic in the second letters. I, O, U, A. I, O, U, A are what? Vowels. So after A will be E, vowel. So I, O, U, A, consecutive vowels. So after A vowel is E. Logic in the second letters, consecutive vowels. Now find K, L, M, N. K, L, M, N. What is the next to N? K, L, M, N are what? Consecutive consonants. So next to N consecutive consonant is P. K, L, M, N, and next consonant is P. Consecutive consonants. Consecutive consonants. Now identify the logic in the fourth letters. T, which is missing? U is missing, so vowel is missing. V, W, X. T, V, W, X, consecutive consonants. So after X, what is the consonant will be? Y. So K, E, P, Y, and the logic is consecutive consonant. T, V, W, X. So between T and U, which is missing? U is missing. W, X, and the next to X consonant is Y. So what is our required answer? K, E, P, Y. Consecutive consonants. And the required answer is K, E, P, Y. Please note it down. Logic in the first letters, consecutive consonants. For second letters, consecutive vowels. And for third letters, consecutive consonants. Fourth letter, consecutive consonants. Okay, I hope you understood everything. Thank you for joining the class. Have a nice day.